What's up guys, my name is Joe and it's time for all of you single Pringles to start and mingle. It's nearly Christmas time, which means plenty of family dinners, plenty of nights out, and plenty of opportunities to meet
spicy senoritas.
With that said, here are 10 hairstyles that girls love on guys. My job is to provide the information, your job is to pick the best one for you. Quick friendly reminder here that Ascend Volume Cream, the latest product in the BluMaan lineup, is dropping in 2 days on November 27th. It's coming up, so make sure that you write it down. Also, we're starting our Black Friday sales on the 27th as well. It's the biggest sales that we do in the year, so that's coming up as well. Don't sleep on it because we're gonna be giving away a little free something, a little secret for orders over $30 spent on Black Friday. So definitely keep a lookout. Ascend Black Friday, it's coming up on the 27th. First hairstyle on the list, you can't go wrong with it, the messy slick back. You guys know by now, I've talked about how the grown out hair, the grown out look, it's coming back. The messy slick back is a deadly concoction because you've got the grown in sides mixed in with the effortless looking pushed back style. This hairstyle comes across as laid back, chilled out, yet edgy and cool. I mean, what more could a girl want in a hairstyle? Number 2, adding in a little structure to the messy slick back, you've got the casual side part. Don't get this confused with the slick looking side parts because that is too rigid, too shiny, and 9 out of 10 times it comes across as cold. I'm not saying it's a bad look, but it ain't a toe curler, that's for sure. For this one, it's all about embracing the structure the side part provides, but adding in that playful attitude with a casual look on top. Keep the products lightweight and build in volume with the blow dryer. Ascend Volume Cream, this stuff is gonna be your best friend when it comes out in 2 days. Number 3 haircut that doesn't get enough attention is the buzz cut. Plain and simple. Now the buzz cut isn't for everyone, but if you've got an oval or round face with some jaw definition, girls will go crazy for this one. A buzz cut immediately comes across as bold, confident, and masculine. It shows that, yeah, I could have a full-on hairstyle if I want to, but I chose this path. I'm confident enough to rock the buzz look, and I'm gonna pull it off, and you're gonna deal with it because I look great. A buzz cut isn't a cop-out either. There's plenty of opportunity to make a buzz cut look interesting by either adding some color or going for a fade on the sides. It's all about the minimal details that really makes a buzz cut pop. 4th hairstyles the ladies love is shoulder length hair, or even in some cases a little longer, mixed with facial hair. Again, this one is not for every guy out there. That's why we have a list of 10 so you can pick and choose. But if you can grow some thick facial hair, this is something that you could seriously consider. Think Jason Momoa. Perfect example. He's got the facial hair to keep this hairstyle looking masculine, and he's left his hair pretty messy and curly, which is a crucial part to making this hairstyle look cool. You don't want to look like you've thrown in a bunch of effort when it comes to long hair. Let the natural locks flow, a little bit of messiness, and girls, they won't want to get their hands out of there. Greasy buildup, you're gonna have to, hey, no. That's what you're gonna have to do. 5th up, one for you curly haired boys out there, and that is embracing the curls, but control them. Controlled curls is a sexy look and something that a lot of guys wish that they could pull off. It's crazy how every guy just wishes that they could have someone else's hair type. The fact that you have curls, rock them. Don't try to hide them. Don't try to, disguise it as a different look. When girls see a guy with controlled curls, they automatically think playful and mischievous. And it's up to your personality to fill in the rest, all right? I'm sorry to break it to you. What I mean by controlled curls is embracing the curls, but making sure that they're nice and refined. A hairstyle that looks like it's been done on purpose rather than like you just got out of bed. There's a ton of great curl defining gels and creams out there on the market. What you want to look for are light products that are going to help define and refine your curls rather than something too strong that's going to weigh it down or mess up the look. Number 6, keeping it short and messy on top with some texture and tightening up those sides. This is a classic hairstyle that's been around forever and it is not going away anytime soon. When you're rocking the short, messy look, you're saying that you appreciate the classics. When a girl sees this, they know that you're a guy that knows what you want and there's no BS involved. You've picked a hairstyle that you can't go wrong with, doesn't take a long time to achieve, and is great and modern. Even though it's a classic, it still looks great today. Number 7 and 8 are for our darker skinned brothers out there. Let me tell you, the faded sides with the twist on top, I mean, even I get jealous sometimes. I wish I could try that out. This is like the black guy's equivalent to the undercut, but because of your natural hair texture, it looks completely different. You're not relying on flow and a soft look, rather shaping the haircut to bring in some serious structure. If this haircut is done right, your face is gonna look much sharper. It'll make you look masculine, but the tight curls on top adds a sense of playfulness. The whole look is really well balanced, and the ladies, they're gonna love it. Number 8, short to medium length dreads. Again, for our darker brothers out there, there's rarely a time when I see a white guy pulling off dreads and I'm like, you know what? That suits you. that barely ever happens. The short to medium length dreads is one of the most laid back, chilled out, cool looking hairstyles out there. See, a good hairstyle isn't just about how well you style your hair. It's also about the overall vibe. And short to medium length dreads, those give off the right vibe, if you know what I mean. One thing you'll definitely want to do though is keep yourself well groomed and physically looking clean, you know, like you actually take care of yourself. A well-groomed dude with short to medium length dreads, that is a killer combo. Number 9 is a throwback to the classics, and that is the classic pompadour. Of course, different hairstyles are going to attract different types of girls. So if you're rocking the classic pompadour, you're looking for a sophisticated girl, someone who appreciates total maturity and respects the commitment. Because let's all be honest here, the classic pompadour requires some pretty serious commitment to maintain. My biggest advice here, to modernize this look a little, don't make it overly shiny. I think a little shine still looks great to keep it looking slick, but if you grease it up too much, I'm telling you now, nobody's into it. And finally, number 10 is simply rocking a hairstyle that best represents who you are as long as you've put some effort into it. At the end of the day, girls are gonna like you for who you are, not just what you're rocking on top of your head, all right? They're not as shallow. Believe it or not, we learned that, I think, at the end of 2018. So, like, new studies came out. If you have a natural sense of what looks best on you, or if you just like to experiment and try different things, go for it, as long as you're well-groomed and it looks like you've put some effort into your overall hairstyle. You know, don't be that guy that gets straight out of bed and you're like, well, this is me for the day, best representation of who I am, because it's not, okay? Everyone has the ability to be the best version of themselves, and that's really like what we try to promote most at BluMaan with our company, staying true to what makes you different and elevating yourself to be the best person you can be, both, you know, as a man and also how well you can look. If you know what you like, put some effort in and rock it. That's what I got for you guys today. Volume Cream, it is out in 2 days, November 27th. Write it down with a pen and pencil. Pen and pencil, please. That's the requirement. Black Friday deals are also coming up. We got spicy deals, best deals of the year. You know it, that's what we like to do. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you found one of these, you know, suitable. Let me know down below which one is your favorite, which one you think the girls will like most as well. That's it from me, and I'll see everybody next time.